Okay, we got this really cool surge protector from APC. It's called the Surge Arrest, and it's got guaranteed surge protection with mobile charging. And let's open it up and check it out. All right, here it is. So it comes with two USB power ports that charge up to 2.4 amps max. It's got 5 outlets right down the middle and then 3 on either side. So this is really good if you have some of those big power bricks you need to plug in. And it's got a really nice 8-foot long cord. So you have a lot of room. So this is going to be really great for our new TV.